Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of organic chemistry. It might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's all about understanding the basics. We'll break it down step by step. So, did you know that the smell of a ripe banana and the taste of vanilla ice cream are both thanks to organic molecules? Pretty cool, right? Let's get started. Organic chemistry is basically the study of compounds containing carbon. It's super important for ICSE because it forms the basis of many chemical processes and carries significant marks. Now here's our first topic, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the simplest organic compounds, made up of only carbon and hydrogen atoms. They form the backbone of many other organic molecules. Remember, carbon's ability to form long chains and rings is key to organic chemistry. Let's define what we mean by saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those in which all the carbon atoms are linked by single bonds. This means they are saturated with hydrogen atoms. Now, let's talk about alkanes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons with the general formula CnH2n+2. They are the most basic type of organic compound and serve as the foundation for naming other compounds. The naming of alkanes follows a specific pattern, with prefixes indicating the number of carbon atoms. Here's the formula for alkanes, CnH2n+2, n equals number of carbon atoms. This formula tells you how many hydrogen atoms are present for a given number of carbon atoms in an alkane molecule. Now, unsaturated hydrocarbons are where it gets interesting. Unsaturated hydrocarbons contain at least one carbon-carbon double or triple bond. This makes them more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. Think of alkenes, which have a double bond, and alkynes, which have a triple bond. Here's a key rule. Alkenes have the general formula CnH2n, n equals number of carbon atoms. This means they have fewer hydrogen atoms compared to alkanes. Now, a key point to remember is the difference between empirical and molecular formulas. Many students get confused by them. The empirical formula gives the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound, while the molecular formula shows the actual number of atoms of each element in a molecule. Here is an example to solve. Q. A hydrocarbon contains 80% carbon and 20% hydrogen. Its relative molecular mass is 30. Find its molecular formula. UNS. Step 1. Calculate the empirical formula, CH3. Step 2. Calculate the empirical formula mass, 15. Step 3. Divide the molecular mass by the empirical formula mass, 30 divided by 15 equals 2. Step 4. Multiply the empirical formula by 2. The molecular formula is C2H6. Here is another real-world application, the production of plastics. Many plastics are made from polymers derived from unsaturated hydrocarbons like ethene. Understanding the properties of these hydrocarbons is crucial for developing new materials. Remember these exam tips. Always balance chemical equations carefully. Pay attention to prefixes in IUPAC naming. Practice drawing structural formulas. In summary, we covered hydrocarbons, saturated versus unsaturated compounds, and formulas. Remember the general formulas for alkanes and alkenes. All of this, AI notes, doubt solving, practice tests for organic chemistry, free on Synapse. Study smarter. Start free today at synapse.omups.in. Master Organic Chemistry for ICSE. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.